There are plenty of brands out there that offer battery electric vehicles, but there's only one that offers an entire support structure built in, and that's a BEV from the country's #1 car brand, Toyota. Over the decades, Toyota continues to recognize the value of research and development. This allows them to continuously refine and improve their products, only offering them to the market after careful study. Knowing that the market is now ready to adopt fully electric vehicles, Toyota Motor Philippines has built an entire support system that goes beyond simply offering a brand new product. Each of these Toyota BEV dealers, with coverage ranging from metropolitan areas around the Philippines, are ready to maintain, service, and if necessary, repair your Toyota BEV. They serve as true one-stop shops, giving access to allied services that no other car maker can offer. Need financing for your new BEV? Toyota Financial Services Philippines has you covered. Need insurance to protect your Toyota? There's Toyota Insure. Can't remember when your next periodic maintenance timing is? You can check it out on the My Toyota app. Looking to trade in your old car? There's T-Sure. And yes, these Toyota BEV dealers offer complimentary charging. As an added perk, Toyota BEV owners can also take advantage of EV chargers at Lexus Manila Gallery. Besides free charging at these Toyota dealerships, each Toyota BEV comes with one 7-kilowatt wall-box charger with free installation and one portable 3-kilowatt charger that uses a conventional 220-volt socket when you need to top up on the go. Toyota also acknowledges the low maintenance cost of BEVs. Compared to their standard routine preventive service schedule, they only require a once-a-year PMS after the first 1,000-kilometer inspection. These Toyota BEVs also carry a lengthy 5-year or 140,000-kilometer bumper-to-bumper warranty and an 8-year or 200,000-kilometer high-voltage battery warranty. And given that Toyota's been around in the Philippines for more than 35 years, you can rest assured that the same company that sold you your BEV will still be around to support it right through its warranty period and beyond. How's that for peace of mind? Toyota's genuine customer support doesn't stop after your new BEV has been released. Customers can also be assured that whenever they purchase a Toyota BEV, Toyota will be with them every step of the way, from when they first visit the showroom to when they upgrade to a new unit. Even when customers do encounter issues, they also make it easy to get in touch with customer service through various channels. With so many mobility options in the local market to choose from, Toyota stands out because of trust, convenience, and genuine customer support. It is for these very reasons that I made the right choice, the Toyota choice, when it came to getting my first BEV. I didn't want to take chances. I wanted one that has quality, durability, reliability, and of course, unparalleled customer support. I never looked at anything else but a Toyota.